Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy in the month of October. So right now, in the past 24 hours, we're been seeing a lot of red, and pretty much the market is down about 2.23%. Top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be Barn Bridge, which is up about 21%, but everything else is pretty much red. So highest volume like usual, Bitcoin with 30.3 billion right there. Ethereum right behind it with 16.7. Now Bitcoin is down about 2% or so, trading around this 41,600 area. Ethereum trading at 28.56, down about 2.9%. We see Cardano being down about 5%, Ripple down 3%, Solana down 1%, and all these other altcoins are down about 2 to 5%, with some outliers, being down even more, and even some green here that we see like, Uniswap, which is potentially green right there. So guys, before we get into this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me before we get into this countdown. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are going to be in the description for that as well. Now let's get into it. So the first altcoin is going to be Kusama. So this one is KSM. This one right now is trading right here at $324.01. It is pretty much flat here in the past 24 hours, almost up 1%. In the past week, we are up about 6.66%. In the past month, 6% as well. And then on the 1-year chart, this coin is up over 809%, trading at around $34, last year, hitting highs of 623, pulling back down to about 148 here in July. And then from that 148 area, we continue to go higher and higher, hitting highs at around 435, which is over about a 200% gain almost, so close to 200% gain. Market cap is actually pretty low on this coin, and that is actually where a lot of the momentum came in with this one. So the good thing with this one is only a 2.7 billion market cap. Volume is a little bit higher than usual at 225.5 million, and then obviously the all-time high on this coin is 623.75. So that is the record that we've been looking for. But this coin a little bit undervalued in my opinion. We obviously saw this, uptrend, but I still think it's a little bit undervalued with the market cap being only 2.7 billion. I think we have plenty more, potential. We have about a 80 to 90% upside before we get into the all-time high area once again that we were at here in, May time period. Now, obviously, as the market goes down, as the large cap coins tend to go lower, the, mid cap and the low cap coins follow that same pattern. And then obviously when the large cap coins go up, the mid cap and the low cap coins follow that pattern as well. So whatever Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing, altcoins are going to follow that same pattern. And that's exactly what we saw here. As the big cryptos exploded, so did these ones. And then obviously as we saw the crypto market sell off, we saw these altcoins sell off even harder and hit lows down here. So that is obviously a thing that we always have to keep in mind, because whatever the big coins do, that's how everything else performs. Right now we're seeing a little bit of a consolidation here after this huge run that we saw here in September. So hopefully after this consolidation period, we see another uptrend going into the end of 2021 and potentially pushing Kusama on higher, and obviously all these other altcoins as well. So obviously, guys, that's going to be our first altcoin on this list. Our second altcoin is going to be Uniswap, so UNI. This one, very popular coin here in the past few weeks. We've talked about it. It is up about 2.83% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $23.67. In the past week, we're up 24%, which is amazing. I mean, obviously, we hit lows of 17 and then highs of 26. That's about a $9 gain down there. Over 50% profit in a matter of about, a day or two. Then we saw here in the past month, we're down about 11% with highs of over $30 at one point. On the 1-year chart, we're still up over 439%, which is good. Obviously, we were trading at $4 last year in October. Hit highs here at $45, which is about a 10x right there. So a 10 bagger right there pretty quickly in about 6 or 7 months. 10 bagger made on Uniswap. Pulled back down with the market all the way back down to lows of under $15, and then we saw that uptrend. And now with all these altcoins trending lower, we're seeing Uniswap trend lower as well, and making a little bit of a sideways move that we're watching for a potential buying opportunity, especially if we continue to go under $20 or so. So right now, 14.5 billion market cap on this coin. Volume picking up a little bit at 1.4 billion. Typical hold time is 28 days. We have a 53% buy activity and a 47% sell. We are ranked the number 9 coin on this list. And then obviously for those of you who are not familiar with Uniswap, well, this is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that's designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. There's no order book or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through liquidity pools that are defined by smart contracts. How does all this work? Well, Uniswap pioneered the automotive market maker model in which users supply Ethereum's tokens to Uniswap, liquidity pools, and algorithms set market prices. Now, by supplying tokens to Uniswap liquidity pools, users can earn rewards while enabling peer-to-peer trading activity. Anyone, anywhere can supply tokens to liquidity pools, trade tokens, or even create a list of their own tokens. Now, there are currently hundreds of tokens available on Uniswap, and some of the most popular trading pairs are stablecoins like USDC and wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC. Keep in mind with all of this that DEXs have a range of risks, so do your research. Impermanent, loss can result from the pairing a more volatile cryptocurrency with a less volatile one in a liquidity pool. Bugs in the smart contract can be exploited, and anyone can create a token, so watch out for rug pulls as well. You might see some celebrity, some big person, start to get everybody in on this coin, and then obviously we see a rug pull when they dump all their coins and all their friends dump the coins, and pretty much us as the viewers get stuck with all those coins right there as they did the rug pull on us, and that's definitely not something we want to see. So we always have to be careful for scams as well. But Uniswap, a great altcoin, only 14.5 billion market cap, has plenty of room to grow in the future, and I would not be surprised if this coin continue to boom in the next 5, 10, 15 years. So definitely another one to add to your radar, guys. So that's going to be our number 2 coin. And then last but not least, the number 3 spot, one that we talked about in yesterday's video, but it boomed so high that I want to cover it again because this one has potential. So this one is Axie Infinity. AXS is up about 7% here in the past 24 hours. So when we talked about it, it was trading around $64 or so, and now we're seeing it trade higher and higher here at $68.50 actually right now. In the past week, we're up about 36%. So we're seeing a green movement here, even though the market is red. In the past month, we're down about 8%. And then obviously on the 1-year chart, we're up over 41,000% as this was trading at around 17 cents last November. Hit highs here at one point in September at over $94. And then obviously we saw a pullback to lows of under $50. And now we're seeing a little bit of a comeback right there. 4.2 billion market cap on this coin, 648 million volume right there. As you guys can see, volume is doubled what it usually is. Typical hold time is 11 days. We're ranked number 23 on the rank popularity system. 56% buy, 44% sell. AXS is an Ethereum token that powers Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game where the players can battle, collect, and build a digital kingdom for their pets. AXS holders can claim rewards for staking their tokens, playing the games, and participating in key governance votes. So the big thing with this one, if you guys go and play the game for Axie Infinity, you can breed the little characters and hope to get a character that has the good IV, pretty much, where you can sell that character for a lot more profit. So you're always hoping for one of those good characters so you can, continue to churn these, babies out, I guess you could say, these characters out, more of these Axie Infinity characters, and make some profit. Obviously, not all of them are going to be profitable, but, at least they're worth something, and you're not going to be, be left hanging. You're going to get something at least from one of these, and you can at least sell it for something. And a lot of people have been getting into this kind of like churning of these characters. Pretty much they're just breeding more and more and more. It takes a few days, but they're making a lot of profit on this, and that's exactly why Axie Infinity has been benefiting here in the past 2 or 3 months or so. It's gained a lot of traction and a lot of popularity, and definitely one of those popular coins to be watching right now. So guys, how is the rest of the market performing? Well, like we said, we're a little bit in the red. Doge is around this 20 cents area, continuing to go lower and lower. Like we always continue to say, I think it's game over for Doge. In the past week, we're down 1%. Past month, down 30%. And then obviously on the 1-year chart, we're in the green. But this one is on a downtrend here, as you can see, from highs of 34 cents. We're down about 14 cents or so. That's a pretty good chunk of profit right there that's gone for any long-term holders. Now, if we take a look, market cap 26.1 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 881.6 million. Typical hold time is 53 days. It is ranked the number 8 coin on the popularity list. 63% buy and 37% sell on Doge. I personally think it's game over for Doge, and it's continuing to go lower. Now, Bitcoin is trading around this 41,600 area, down about 2%. In the past week, we're up 2%. And then on the 1-month chart here, we're down almost 15% from highs of about $53 actually, or $53,000 at one point. Here on the 1 year chart, we're still up 284% from last year, making some decent gains. Now we're making a pullback. Hopefully we bounce off of a support and continue to go higher. Market cap 782.4 billion right now, which is 34% of the crypto market. Typical hold time is 85 days. 72% buy, 28% sell on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's doing very well. Volume is picking up for sure again. Ethereum, the number 2 coin on our list. In the past week, it's down about 3%. Past month or past week, 3% higher. And then on the 1 month chart, we're down almost 12%. With the 1 year chart, almost up 700%. You know, this one has been booming. We're consolidating once again, pretty much the same pattern as Bitcoin. All these Bitcoins, follow the same pattern and cause these little coins to, follow the same pattern as well. So market cap on Ethereum right now is 336.1 billion, which is around 15% of the crypto market. 82 typical hold time days, 77% buy with a 23% sell right there. It is ranked the number 2 coin. Obviously, we believe that crypto is going to continue to move on higher, especially Ethereum. Eventually, we're hoping for Ethereum to do the flippening and become the number 1 altcoin or cryptocurrency in general compared to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin goes to that number 2 spot in the future. That's obviously a goal, but you never know when a coin like Cardano is going to come up and creep up behind you and continue to gain traction. As Cardano is right now ranked the number 3 coin right after Bitcoin and Ethereum, beating Binance Coin here. So definitely an interesting time period to be in right now, and potentially look for altcoins and different opportunities to get in before everybody else gets in. So that's definitely something we keep in mind as well. So guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so this is all for entertainment purposes only. Speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence before investing. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.